Vaccination certificates can be generated for patients, along with the vaccine manufacturer, batch and validity. In order to generate accurate vaccination certificates, the vaccine stock must be recorded properly. Go to the inventory page. Search and activate the vaccine in the inventory list. Refer activating inventory items, or if the vaccine is not available in the inventory list, add as a new inventory item. Refer adding new inventory item. Although optional, it is advisable to link this vaccine to the list of standard vaccines. Refer vaccination schedule. Get the supplier's invoice and record the vaccine as stock received. Refer adding/receiving stock. Enter the required details accordingly. The important step here is to specify the manufacturer's vaccine batch number here. Note that the manufacturer's batch number is different from Intelsys batch number. Let's check the manufacturer's batch number. Click Stored by batch. CVA12345U is the manufacturer's batch number. It is important to make sure the manufacturer's batch number is properly saved before this stock is issued or dispensed, otherwise this batch will get posted and no editing will be possible. N29 is Intelsys batch number. For vaccination certificates, manufacturer's batch number is required. For two-tier clinics, the store stock of this vaccine needs to be issued to local. Refer stocks, store to dispensary/local. Note that the manufacturer's batch number will be shown here. If not, do not proceed to issue to local. The manufacturer's batch number must be added via received items. Specify the period in which this vaccine stock was received. Click Received Items. Click on the date to edit this received stock. Specify the manufacturer's batch number under Notes here. It is extremely important to save the manufacturer's batch number before issuing this stock or dispensing this stock, otherwise this transaction will get posted and no editing will be possible. Save the changes if this batch is not posted. In the patient page, search and select the vaccine. And make sure the quantity is correct. The vaccination certificate is generated in referral/memo. However, the proper certificate cannot be generated yet. We'll see why. Click Add. And click on the words Vaccination Certificate, not the checkbox. Note that the manufacturer, vendor, and batch are empty. This is because we have not saved the Intelsys batch number yet in the collection page. If we proceed to generate the certificate now, the certificate may not be valid. And click on the words Vaccination Certificate to close this box. And click Finalize so that the Intelsys batch number can be saved in the collection page. In the collection page, click this gray triangle to list the available batches of this vaccine. Click to select this batch. Check the quantity and click Save. Now the manufacturer's batch number can be identified, before we can go back to the patient page to generate the certificate. Specify the mode of payment first. And click Update to save. In the patient page, if the patient is among the last patients, use these arrows to move to the patient's visit. Or enter the VN here. Or search the patient's VN here. In the patient's visit, as we have finalized the visit earlier, click this edit icon to allow editing of this visit. Go to referral/memo. Click Add. Click the words Vaccination Certificate. Now the manufacturer, vendor, and manufacturer's batch number is listed. Tick to select this vaccine. Click this icon to generate the vaccination certificate. The vaccination certificate can be further edited if required. The vaccine manufacturer and the batch will be automatically filled up. Specify the validity of this vaccine. Specify the recipient here. And click this icon to save this vaccination certificate. The certificate can be printed by clicking this print icon. Finalize back the visit once done. That's it. You're done.